guys, welcome back again with me, Evelyn in here. So today I'm going to show you some amazing techniques to match a subject, it's my picture, to sci-fi city background in Photoshop, because I'm a model and I think I must know how to simple editing, right? So if you like my video, please you can subscribe so I will teach you again from another video. Thank you so much! Okay, so today I will try to combine my picture and we will start to open the Photoshop. And this is my picture and I will try to combine with the Tokyo, I don't know, this is maybe it's not Tokyo, it's Korea's town, Korea city. Okay, so first you need to do is you look the background first from the Google. You can try a sci-fi background like this, a Tokyo, or maybe a Shibuya. It's like a sci-fi because my concept is sci-fi. Okay, and you just push the right and save image as, and you just save in here like JPEG image. Okay, and after that you open in the Photoshop, boom, and we need to do is erase my background, and it's really difficult because we cannot push the quick selection or maybe magic wand tool. If you push this and your face it's erased too, so we're not gonna use that. I will try erase one by one and so manual. Alright, okay, after you finish all, you just push and drag into the background. So just press Ctrl D and you just make a more normal in this background, maybe a size like this maybe, and you can put everywhere you want, maybe in here or maybe over there, but I will try to put it in the center. Up. Okay, so basically this is finished, but the color of my picture and the background is really different. You need to do is click this bottom and make curve. Don't forget about the click one, this one, and then RGB you need to do is a little more black. You can see that, see, more black because my picture too light. And we try about the blue one, up the blue one and down the red one, a little bit down. Good. So now it's more marked. And after that, in this area, this is really important. You change pencil tool and eye drop tool. It looks like in the background maybe that's a little bit blue, and after that just opacity you can change into a 40% or 10%, and you just drop a little in here, but I think it's more. Okay, for delete you can push the Ctrl C. We try again. I will down the size and down the opacity and put this and this area to suit, and that one too. I think the opacity is still strong. 6% is okay. Nice. Now for this one and that one. I will choose the burn tool, change the size. I will burn in his area because it's more black, like a shadow. Alright, so after that you will choose a lens, flare lens, the blue flare lens, blue, but you can change the other color if you want, but I will try a blue flare lens, like maybe that one is nice, but we need a more like, I don't like a streak, so we did, oh, this one is nice, abstract blue. Okay, click the right, save image as, we're gonna put in here, of course, JPEG. And after that you open, I'm sorry, where's my, I have a lot of picture too. Okay, you drag, open the Photoshop. Don't forget about the screen one, normal, it becomes screen, and place you can put in here. Just like put this outside, just put like this, maybe, yeah. A curve one, I need to make a proportion about the curve again. For my picture, all is done, and make sure the blue one a little strong and the red one is really dark. Okay, so this is the basic, and after that I will try in this area, and I will choose again like this. If you still remember, you put in here and new layer, and you can change the color into a purple, maybe change a hue saturation into a purple one, a red one, a purple one, and okay, and you can drag again and screen, change normal into a screen, and after that you can put in the dark one. So thank you for watching.